Hi, in this video we will look at blog and portfolio layout option. Go to Betheme options and go to blog and portfolio tab. You can hide the header and sticky arrows and show or hide love box. If you go to blog or portfolio page, you will see the arrows and love box. Then you have an options to enable or disable captions for the featured image. You also have an option to change related post style. Now move to blog option. Set the amount of posts on the main blog page. Choose the layout of a main blog page. You have multiple layouts to choose from. Specify the number of columns. Select which heading type you want to use for your blog page. Assign the main blog page if you are not using a dedicated page. You can also adjust the post order, excerpt length, and post meta options. Here I want to remove the filter option. You can do that easily. You can see filter options are removed now. Here you can enable or disable the single post title, author box, and comment option. Provide the amount of related posts to display. You can also control the numbers of column and image size. Under the portfolio option, you have all the same options as posts. You can customize that in same way. Using this option, you can adjust the size of featured image. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.